For all the coconut lovers out there, this one's for you. Today we're gonna make a classic coconut pound cake. My nieces and nephews are my biggest fans. They are so cute. When I FaceTime them, they always tell me about the videos that they watch, and then they always give me ideas of things to put on my show. So my niece Angeli lives in Hawaii, and she asked me to make coconut pound cake. So today that's what we're making. So we're making this for Angeli. I hope she likes this recipe and she tries it at home. So we're gonna have here 2 cups of flour. We're gonna take 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So we have our dry ingredients. We're gonna leave that set aside. Now for our wet ingredients in our mixer, we have 1 cup of butter, and we're gonna mix that with our sugar. So 1.5 cups of sugar. We're gonna mix this in our beautiful orange KitchenAid mixer. Let me just lock it in. There we go. So while that's mixing, I'm gonna get our eggs ready. So we need 4 eggs. Always crack your eggs in another container before adding to your mixture so that there's no shells. So now that's nice and creamy. We're gonna add in 1 egg at a time. Now we've mixed our eggs in there. We're gonna leave that for a second. We're gonna measure out our coconut milk. So we're doing 1 cup of coconut milk. And we have our dry ingredients here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna alternate dry ingredients and coconut milk, adding it to our mixture to blend it together. So we'll start with a little bit of our flour first. When you're mixing this, you're gonna start with the dry ingredients, go to the coconut milk, and end with the flour. So our last ingredient is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Our last ingredient is our shredded coconut. So I'm gonna mix that in. Oh, it's nice and fluffy. So I've already preheated our oven to 325. I have a loaf pan right here that I'm gonna grease that and flour it before I pour in my mixture. That looks amazing. So I have a loaf pan here. I'm just gonna spray this sides and just do a little flour just so that it doesn't stick to the sides. It's gonna come out nice and easy. And now we're gonna pour this right in. And this is gonna go in the oven for about an hour. It's gonna take an hour at 325. Our coconut cake has cooked. We let it cool. We took it out of our pan, and now we're gonna make a coconut icing. So we have powdered sugar. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk this together. So now we're gonna pour this on top. Ice the top of this. What a delicious treat. This coconut cake is perfect sweet treat to go with your coffee or your tea. It's a definite crowd pleaser. This looks amazing. I can't wait to dig in. Angeli, this recipe's for you. I hope you enjoy it. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.